Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Min Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert symbols on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer or PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer, just going to show in this video. So for that, first of all, you just click on the insert option first. Then here you just need to click on the symbol option here. Click on the drop menu. You can find the recently used symbols on the first position here, and the custom symbols here automatically you will have this option here, and click on more symbol option, and here you can find a 3 tabs called symbol, special character and custom symbol. Here you can add a custom symbol. You can see there is a list of symbols. You can just customize it by moving down, up, and removing and reset the symbol toolbar. Or click on the special character. Here you can find all the special character. Also you can insert a custom symbol if you just need that. And going to the symbol option, here you just need to change the font, so you can find a different type of subsets here, so you can just insert directly. Or also you have the recently used symbols on the here, and here you can find the character code. You can just type the character code and directly find the symbols, and also here the unique code if you just need it. This is how you just insert symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.